Hello guys, my name is Vansh Sharma and it's day 2 of PRE. For Intelligence and Risk Engine, I have completed 70% of the work of PRE. I have completed two files. One is the formatting file and the other one is the main core logic of the program. So I can say 70% of the work is done and I'll be sharing the code with you in the further video on my laptop screen. And to access the code, you can join my GitHub. I will provide the link in the description, and you can also connect me with the on LinkedIn. I will also provide the link in the description. So let's see the code. This is my laptop screen, and this is the main structure of the program. This is my main folder pre. I have just this is thing where I have learned the library, and this is my objective of what I have to do in the project. This is my main folder. In this folder, I have three divisions of core, reports, and test. I have not done anything in reports and test till now, but I have completed my core, which is the pass.py and scorer.py. You can see my code. यहाँ पे I have imported from main library of phone numbers, and I have formatted my data through validating it, cleaning the normal input from the user. Parsing it means creating an object of phone number to just portray it in the best format. Normalizing it in the best formats like E164, which is widely acceptable in all countries. This one is the international format and this one is the national format. Okay, and so this is the pipeline of how this file will work. I mean, pass.py will work when pass.py will be called. These this function will run, or you have to call this function. It will first clean the number, then validate it. If it is validated, it will jump to this one and normalize it and return this. If it is unable to validate it, it will return this error. So this is my pass.py, and in my scorer.py I have written a long code because I was trying to do my best to write the code and clear my understanding, but it went too long and this has commented I have done this comment. You can't find more comments in this because I don't need them till now. So yeah, actually I done this because I have to um put the risk score under 100. So yeah, so okay, so I have imported again phone number library and specifically number type from the phone number library as get number type. So in the code, in the below code, you will see get number type as number type, which is a phone number library to check what is the number. It's a mobile number, it's a fixed line number, or it's a VoIP number, which is a species number, which is an internet generated number. So I'm just telling you. So यहाँ पे I have created a class called risk scorer, which is a main class, and you have to call this one actually to run this file. Yeah, so I have created int function, in which I have stored all the main variables which I'll be using in the program, like flags, risk details, final score, risk level, and weight. Weight are the important thing here because uh, I have put it here. I have put it here because I'll be giving the score on the basis of the like on the basis of where I will be finding a suspicious number actually. So, for example, if I found a number which is not a mobile number, which is an unknown number, not a mobile number, I can't find the number type. So it will show a risk indicator on the number type. So how much it will impact the number, it has been listed here. So if a number I can't identify the number type, it will show that it has 15 error, 15 value of error. Okay, so more weight मतलब more weight मतलब more risk. So if you are unable to find career, it is highly riskable because every number has must have career. If you unable to find the validity, it is valid or not, it will be highly riskable number considered. So let's look at the code further. We'll check the number type here. Then yeah, mobile number, fixed line number, VoIP, call free, premium rate unknown. So yeah, here it will be checking the number, and if any of the number are not find unrecognized number type, so it will give it 8 score, and based on that score it will do that. So that's how it is working, and this is an I have used try catch because I don't want my program to fail. Simply I want it to just show me an error which can be this type or something. I will be introducing test case for that type of thing which I have. So this is my main.py. Here I have imported two files, parse.py and score.py, and specifically two functions from those files, parse underscore pipeline and calculate risk underscore pipeline, which I have mentioned in those files in the previous video. So this is the main function where I am be taking the input from the user, and this will send the input to the parse pipeline function in the parse.py, where it will be formatting where it will format the number, and also I am just stripping the number, so it will remove all the extra spaces user has entered. And after that, if the number is not parsed in the parse file, it it will return from the main function. I have written this code. This is also known as defensive coding. If a number is unable to parse, it will not go to the score.py. It will save the time and also the CPU memory. So if the number is parsed, it will jump to this line where it will print the parse number, and here it will print the normalized format like E164 and international format from here, and then it will go to the risk format, calculate risk function which I have mentioned here, and from that specifically it goes to the risk scorer, risk level, and it will print the value of risk score and risk level. Then it will print a line called details checks, and in that it will be printing all the details like check, score, weight, messages. Then it will print all the flags and summary. Flags means the crucial message which we have added. Like if the number is VoIP, it will show it will print dangerous number or something. It will be summary, the main score, and the number is safe or not. So let me just run the file and show you the real output. So first time it will show an error because I am using a virtual environment, and to activate the virtual environment I just have to run it first without activating, and it will be activated automatically. I can activate it manually too by writing main name of the file, script, and activate. So if now I will run, it will run the file. As you can see, it has run the file. Now I'll be entering a random number like 90 and 98. I have written a number actually 975646. Yeah. So this number is random. I just wrote it from my keyboard. So if we go to the starting, you can see a parse number with a country code. This is a phone number object which I have mentioned we will be creating. This is all the normalized format like E164, international and national. E164 is widely accepted. That's why I have written this. Here is a risk score and risk level 24 low. Let me go to the detail checks. Here number type, it is a mobile number. Career, it's a Reliance Jio number. Region, India. Time zone, Asia, Calcutta. Validity, it's a valid number, low risk. Formatting, normal format. Metadata extracted successfully. So there is no flag, this is a valid number, and this is a summary. And this is now my output. In the future, or you can say in the day 3 of pre, I'll be making a file called json.report, in which all this output will be saved for a machine code to understand. You can say from json underscore report.py, you can call an API to just grab all these reports which I've generated, and text underscore report.py will be for human to be readable. And in the future, I'll be adding test cases also. In test cases, there will be function which will check our score.py functions, specifically time zone, validity, and VoIP messages, regions, and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much for today, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys.